Hi everybody. This video is how to draw a puzzle piece for the Puzzle Cube project using Autodesk Inventor. So once you've set up your project pathway, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new file. And for each puzzle piece, you're going to have a different part file. So you're going to select not sheet metal, never select sheet metal, but standard.ipt. So you're going to select standard.ipt and click Create. And then you are almost ready to go. You need to switch over to sketch mode if it doesn't come up with the 3 sketch planes to begin with. I think Inventor is still trying to open. And I'm going to do my new 2D sketch. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to draw a puzzle piece that looks like an L, but it has a little piece sticking out. So I'm going to start on this plane. And it doesn't really matter which plane you start on. And I'm going to use the rectangle tool. So let me draw a rectangle. And my puzzle piece is going to be 3 cubes high. And once I set my rectangle down, I'm going to dimension it. This is going to be 1 cube wide. So I'm going to make it 0.75 inches because each wooden cube is 3/4 of an inch. And again, it's 3 cubes high. So again, I'm still selected in the dimensioning tool. So 3 cubes would be 2.25 inches, right? That would be, if you're not good at math in your head, you can also type 0.75 times using the little asterisk 3 and click OK. Okay. And then I'm going to also create like a little L-shaped piece. So I'm going to click on this rectangle again, and I'm going to add over here to this corner. Notice how I'm looking for this green dot. I need the green dot to know that I'm connecting my 2 rectangles. Okay. Then I'm going to click dimension again and make sure this is 0.75. And this will also be 0.75 as well here. And now I'm ready to extrude. So I'm going to click Finish Sketch. Zoom. I'm zooming with my scroll wheel on my mouse. Of course, you can use these tools over here to help you zoom. I'm going to switch over to the 3D Model tab, click Extrude, and now I'm going to click both my rectangles, my rectangle and my square, and it's trying to extrude 0.75 inches. 1 inch, but I want it to extrude 0.75 inches. So I'm going to change this to 0.75, and then I'm going to click OK. And now it's created the first part of my puzzle piece. Now, assuming I have something else sticking out on the other side of this piece, I'm going to keep going. So remember, you need to have 2 cubes in the height, width, and depth, so this wouldn't meet our constraints. So I'm going to right click on this face and do a new sketch to add my 3rd cube sticking out. I'm going to go back to my rectangle tool. I'm going to get my green dot again here and here. And you can see that my dimensions are 0.75 by 0.75. So no need to further dimension that. It is locked in place once I lock that down. Usually you do have to, if you're not connecting to other points on the part, you would have to make sure the dimension is set because that constrains the part, and the part could change size if you don't specifically put a dimension on there. But because I locked the corner to the end, this one corner to this corner, the outside corner, and 1 corner to the inside corner, it cannot change dimension. So I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude. And now Inventor remembers, oh, I extruded 0.75 last time. It probably wants me to extrude 0.75 this time. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to change the color of my part. To do that, I'm going to click on this color wheel. I'm going to go select the part name, and then I want to tell it what color I want it. So let's say it's yellow. And then I'm going to click the green check mark, and now I'm ready to save my part. So I'm going to save the part, and then I'm going to go back and create a new file for the next part. I would probably name this file yellow part. Okay.